Tera. Welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I have here a fun unboxing. Yay. I think there's 2 pieces in there, but we're going to do only one at a time. So I don't want my videos to be very long. So, not sure when this video will load, but I got these from, I want to say it was a flash sale or a friend sale. I think it was friend. And I'm so excited to get it because I've been waiting a long time for this piece to go on sale. I've been stalking this bag. Well, both of them, but one in particular I'm really excited about. Jump right in. So yeah, it is those. These are both the Denizen collection because you guys know I love my exotics. Look at right here. I have a couple for you guys. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Yeah, right there. A couple of my favorites. I'm trying to add to my collection the bags I want. I think my collection is coming to an end, guys, and I never thought I would say this, but I think I almost have everything I've wanted. So these are pieces I wanted to add to it. Here's one. The one I'm really interested in. Here it is. Number 2. Okay. Let's see. What else is in here? And that's rare. Alright, what is this? It's random. And no sticker. Can you believe, Dooney? No sticker again. So this time we're gonna just look at one, just the one I'm most interested in. So we'll do this one first. And so you guys know how disappointed I get when Dooney doesn't send me a duck sticker. So I was browsing on what was this, Robert? Amazon? Came across like these bundles of duck stickers. Here's one I'll show you guys. Because you know I like to decorate my journals. So take that, Dooney. I found some duck stickers. But look how cute. It was like I think $5. And I don't know if you guys can see me, probably close up, but came with a bunch of fun little duck stickers that I can decorate my journals with. So of course it doesn't compare to a Dooney duck sticker, but you know, in the meantime, if you guys are looking for it, they do have them on Amazon. It's like a little bundle. Here's the paperwork. I don't know how to attach. Do you know how to attach? If we can figure it out, I'll attach it on the bottom for people to go buy the duck stickers. They're on Amazon. I don't have a storefront or anything. I'm not associated.
Yeah, it's not ours. It's another seller.
Yeah, it's not me. It's not a brand I'm promoting. I just thought it was funny that, you know, I haven't gotten a duck sticker in so long.
Now we can have our own. Yeah.
So I have my own. I will customize them. I'll write Dooney on it. Don't tell Dooney. But yeah. So here we go. An exotic Dooney and Bird. Now this one is a Gia. Am I saying that right, Robert?
Yeah.
Was it Gia?
Yep.
I've been waiting for this Gia to go on sale. At least the whole year last year, because I missed it when it went on sale once. Triggered myself, so really excited to get it into my collection. And this is one of my favorite colors of the Denizen. As you see, I have his friend right here. Look at this. Wow. Okay, let's examine it. Wow, guys. Deep teal. Denizen Gia. Guys, look at this. Okay. Oh, I noticed something. Hold on. Hold on, guys. My eyes are not that good, but wait a minute. You think this was a return, Robert? It looks packaged, but I'm noticing some
Is there
wear or like white parts on the end here. I mean, I don't have a Gia, guys. Is this normal?
Is there scratches on it?
It kind of looks unfinished, unprofessionally finished. That's not good. I've never noticed that when people show theirs. So this one is 24 of 64. Okay.
Wait, let me see
I'm gonna
that
bring
for
it
a second.
forward,
Hold on a
guys.
second. Let me see that for a
So
second.
we looked at it closer, and it's not wear and tear. It seems to actually be something a bit worse.
Yeah. So I'm not sure what
Right.
happened, guys. Can I call on my Dooney experts, guys? Is this normal? I mean,
It looks like a factory problem, not a like. It's not like somebody bought it, scratched it, and returned it. It just seems like it
I
was.
could deal with a scratch.
Yeah,
but
it's.
now that I noticed it, guys, all I'm seeing is the white, unfinished ends.
It's like a defect
Wow.
almost. I think.
Wow, this is so. Wow, I'm so disappointed. Wow, this is gonna be a return, and I don't think I'm gonna get my sale price if I reorder it, cause I just checked and I got it for 169 and it's at 2 something now. So I'm not sure what happened, guys. Have you encountered this? I mean, this is very, very disappointing.
I don't think we ever got a bag from I Love Dooney that was.
I've never
like
gotten
this.
like that. Yeah. This is probably number 2 of disappointments in my life of Dooney. Like my birthday bag, the Camilla that I had to send back. This is number 2. I've never seen this, guys. I never owned the Gia. Is this normal? Please let me know. I will give it a week to see if I get any answers from my experts here, my true Dooney friends here. Is this normal? This doesn't look normal. Is this how the Gia comes? I mean, it really looks
It is a bit strange.
finished.
On the website, you said you got it for a certain price. I feel like it's higher now than it was for what you bought it.
It is higher now, so.
Maybe there was
Oh
a
my
batch that
God.
was
I
not
mean, if it was a scratch, guys, I can deal with a scratch, but all I'm seeing now is how unfinished and how unprofessionally done this looks on all corners. Is this how the Gia is made? I mean, I've seen a lot of my friends show their Gia. I've never noticed that on their bag. I'm really, really disappointed. I mean, is that even worth going in there? I mean, what is the point? But look how beautiful it was. Wow, this is so disappointing. It looks to be intact. I mean, it doesn't look to be like used, returned. It's just probably a defect, like you said, Robert. And there's another one. It's weird. Now I'm kind of worried about this guy. We're gonna have to jump into that guy too, but I wanted to do its own video. Yeah, the inside, guys. I can't even undo this tape. Robert, put it on. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I'm really disappointed, guys. I mean, this is.
You could use this knife.
Okay. So the inside, guys, look at the flap. Such a beautiful. I've been waiting so long for this bag. You guys cannot imagine. So long to get my Gia. So beautiful. I mean, I love the size. Everything else looks to be perfect. Of course, it's in the beautiful color, deep teal, like my hobo hair. Look, I wanted a friend for it. I love it. I was so looking forward to it. I'm so disappointed. I cannot believe this. Like I said, if it was a scratch, I could deal with the scratch. Because, you know, it will eventually get scratched with use. But this is not something I could tolerate. Look at it, guys. All I'm seeing is that the white unfinished tubing. It's like the tubing. See, like all around the tubing is finished and burnt. You know how they seal it? But the top of them, they are not finished. Wow. This was quite a disappointment. I don't even know if I'm going to put this video up, but maybe, you know, it might help somebody.
If there's anybody, it's a bag of 64, right? If you're any of the other 64 who
Yeah,
got
so
it.
there's a batch of 64. This is 24.
Yeah.
64 guys. Yeah, I'm at a loss. I've never encountered this. All my years of Dooney collecting, I've never had a bag come to me like this, unfinished. So I don't know what to do now, because obviously my choices are I can return it or keep it, and I cannot with good faith even keep this in my collection. I'm so disappointed. But if I return it, I lose my sale price. Wow. This was not what I expected, guys. I was hoping to open it up and fall in love instantly like I did my hobo here. I can't justify in my head keeping a bag like in this condition, because I'm a Dooney collector and I cannot have this in my collection. So I'm gonna have to send it back and give it up. Has this ever happened to you? Is this a regular occurrence on the Gia? That's what I'm asking. For my Dooney friends here who have the Gia, does it happen? Does this come like this? Because look, all I'm seeing is the white undone spots. Wow. That's all I can see now. I can't even take my eyes off of it. Well, there you have it, guys. Unexpected.
It's a shame because the bag is
Shame.
nice.
It's so beautiful. It's a shame unboxing. What am I gonna call this? My unexpected broken unboxing.
It's a bit of
Wow.
disappointment.
It's a disappointment. Truly a disappointment. Number 2 of my Dooney life here. Wow. And this was like almost gonna be the last. These 2 are almost the last pieces I'm gonna add to my collection. I was thinking the other day how perfect and complete my collection is. Only a couple of pieces of bags I'm missing, and the Gia was one of them. And I thought, you know, the Denison was on sale. I was like, let's get it in Denison, but I can't do it. I am so sorry, but yeah. So there you have it, guys. My Gia, it came defective. Let me know. What would you do? Would you keep it? I can't look at it. I can't use it. I can't. So I'm sorry. I hope you enjoyed my video. I didn't want it to end up this way, but I'll give it a week after the video loads to see what you guys tell me, what your professional opinion is, what I can do. But I cannot use it in the condition it is, and I'm gonna have to forfeit it, return it, because I can't reorder it because it's more now, and it's not gonna be under that perfect sale price. So, and the other choice is to live with it, and I know I can't. I can't live with it. So, thank you for watching. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. I am a Dooney collector. Love them wholeheartedly, and I love this bag. I wanted to love it, but the one that came to me just broke my heart. You broke my heart, Curly. I mean, I'm thinking about my dog. You broke my heart. You broke my heart, Gia. I can't believe it. Can't believe it. It's kind of soft on the side here. Oh my gosh. I think it was a return.
I don't think so. I think it was just a factory defect.
So let me know what you guys think. What advice you have for me. And I'll see you guys in this unboxing.
Next video,
I
yeah.
hope this one's in good shape. No, I'm scared. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, let's see what happens. Bye.